right. Hello, seventh grade teachers. And hey, this is your first virtual simulation through Discovery Ed training video. So a little different format. I film these in my office because I can just share my screen to show what it is that you're working on. So let me go ahead and do that step. So this is for concept 1.2 activity 5. And so once you log on to that activity, you'll notice that there is a virtual lab. Now, if you assign this to students, students can open up this lab themselves and go through all the steps. They typically are very easy for students to navigate and interact with. And then the activity sheet will have questions that go along with it, or you can modify it and have your own. You could also choose to maybe display this as a way for students to view as you have discussions. And so you do have a large screen option. We'll go ahead and do that so we can see what's going on. And so this is the changes of states lab. So that's kind of been what the discussion's been about. There's some sound. I don't know if you guys heard that sound, but I heard that sound. It's got some good sound effects. So you have 3 different types of compounds: water, mercury, and methanol. And I'd start with water. You've been investigating water. So what's the nice part about this investigation is that as you start this, students will start to see it get colder, and then it shows I'm going to have to play this without the sound effects. That is loud for me. But it shows the molecular interactions. Okay, it talks. So just be aware of that. So if you want, that is a nice thing about it, is it talks as it shows those questions and, hey, can you describe this? Just do keep in mind if you're going to show that, have your volume turned off or allowed to play, however you want to. But so pretty good lab. You can switch out the, now we have mercury. And so that's going to have a different melting or boiling freezing point and all that sort of thing. Same with methanol. So there's data that you can grab and ask interactive questions. This would work well as a station and station lab for self-learning because it's all interactive. And then you just have a little sheet that they need to document different temperatures that things happen at. So a very useful virtual lab. These can be hit or miss. I would say this is one of the good ones. This is pretty simple, but also you're getting really good data and visualization of the molecules. So, all right, that's pretty much it for this virtual lab. I will leave you guys to it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.